I see. Shame. Yeah.
Yeah. So,
So you preparing for IELTS?
mhm.
Okay. So let's have a look at this one. Okay, so you've taken an IELTS test before, right?
No.
No?
No, this is my first time
First
actually.
time? Okay. All right.
Mhm.
And what do you know how it works with the part one, part two, part three speaking part?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And what band score do you want to get for your exam?
I would be happy to get like 6 plus.
Okay.
So
Very
my
nice.
goal is 6 and above.
Six and above. Okay. Good. So for seven, it's minor word repetition and more than 50% accuracy as grammar and no incoherence at any point. So
Mhm.
using lots of linking words is crucial. Okay, so here we have some vocabulary tips, prepositions. You can read this one.
Prepositions are used to describe relationships between objects, including abstract objects. Here are three common and often confused prepositions. On for dates, days, parts of the day, body, and devices. On Saturday, he got a bruise on his arm because he was on his phone and didn't see the ball. In for unspecific times, shape, color, size, and belief interest. In the morning, she wears shirts in blue because she believes in good luck charms. At for specific times, places, events, and describing an activity. At noon, he was at the soccer game and his sister laughed at his joke. A quick tip for modes of transportation: if you sit down right after opening the door, like a car or taxi, use in out. If you don't, like a plane or a bus, use on off. He got off the plane, she got into out of the car. Okay.
Right. Good. So yeah, that's how we use the prepositions for on, in, and at. Okay, so let's get ready for the little test. Um, so my name is Norman.